Sir, what happened today in the Suomoto PIL related with the traffic plan in city of Panjim?
See, we had earlier filed status report of all the measures which were taken by the government for easing the traffic in Panaji, and that was more than 6 months back. The court wanted us to file the latest report, so the court has given us time to file that report, and we will file it. But as far as the status which we have already submitted to the court, we have pointed out how the traffic in Panaji is eased out after the completion of work of smart city. The court was also satisfied about the fact that insofar as the rest of the areas, other than the areas on the DB Bandodkar road, rest of the areas are better than the earlier times. So the court wanted to dispose of the petition basically after taking on record the latest status report of the traffic problem in the Panaji city. As far as area on DB Bandodkar road is concerned, we pointed out that there is a problem, but that problem is especially in the evening times. And whatever measures which are required to be taken, those measures will be taken. Some measures are already in place. If some stringent steps are required to be taken, that also we'll do. And we'll file the report, and the court was inclined to dispose of the petition on the next date based on the report which we'll file and whatever are the improvements those which have taken place.
Is the problem related to the parking, sir?
The court also observed that parking has also improved insofar as the city is concerned, where after the completion of the works relating to smart city, the parking has been streamlined. After the parking is made paid, it has also improved further. Court was very satisfied with the improvement in the interiors of Panaji, but the court was also concerned about DB Bandodkar, on which we will have to now make some suggestions to the court or some measures which we can put in order.
But what is the problem there, sir?
The problem is there is a lot of traffic, there are a lot of human beings walk on that particular area because of the casinos, and a lot of crossing that takes place in the evening times. So that is the problem, for which we may have to come out with some solution. As of now, we have provided for certain measures, and those measures are also working. There is an improvement in the situation, but it looks like more efforts and more improvements are required to be done there on the traffic field, especially in the evening times.
When is the next date of hearing, sir?
Sorry?
When is the next date of hearing?
I think the matter is fixed on 5th of May.